We need ginger, peel off it, grate it, take 1 glass hot water, add grated ginger, mix it well, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, mix it well, add a spoon of lemon juice, mix it well, cover the mixture for 30 minutes. Mix it well. Strain it. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days and you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.